Across the Sandhills tonight, we're already seeing those temperatures start to plummet. And as you can see, ice still a main concern, also a major concern for your heater. HVAC crews around Fayetteville tonight have been getting a lot of calls. And door to door.
It's like they're going from house to house to house to house.
The AC man seen a lot around Fayetteville today.
Just everyone's heat is out at the same time. It's brutal. Almost every call was ice covering the AC units and gas regulators freezing up, stuff like that.
They say a common culprit is blocked vents. Another issue, people are tempted to crank the heat up too high when the temps get brutally cold, which can strain your system. But for those without heat or shelter, the Salvation Army says they also saw a lot of people at night looking for a place to stay at their white flag shelter.
One individual was kind of discouraged because it's been so cold, and I try to tell him as long as it's really cold outside, we're going to be open, and he was just so thankful.
An older lady who we fixed her AC and she actually cried.
Sometimes.
And those are the reasons why you do it every day.
And if you are in need, again, those white flag shelters are open around the city of Fayetteville tonight. And for those of you watching at home, again, their advice is that anytime it gets below 36 degrees here in North Carolina, it can really put a strain on your heater. Again, their advice, keep the temperature consistent. Don't go too high. Keep it around 70 to 72. The goal, keep it steady. Just try and get through the next couple of days until it warms up again so it doesn't put that strain on your system. In Fayetteville, Tom George, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.